Hey garden lovers, it's a lettuce trial update to show you our setup so that we make sure that we get delicious heads of lettuce during the summer months. You could see that we got this bed set up with a shade cloth. This is a 50% shade netting. Oh wow, who is that I see in the corner? Oh, I think that's a hawk moth. If it is a hawk moth, or also known as hummingbird moth, then that's what those tomato hornworms turn into. Get on the other side and get a better look at him. So we got 23 varieties here, and I sowed the seeds May 24th. They got transplanted less than a week ago, and they are growing like weeds. I do have a bit of a watering issue here just on the corner. You can see that the soil is a bit dry, so I need to do some adjusting. Seems like there's always some issues when I start a trial. Over there, we have a huge possum that's running around at night, and he's digging for grubs, which I love that he's eating the grubs, but I hope he's not going to disturb the roots of that variety because it's doing fabulous. So we create a little microclimate so that the lettuce stays moist. It's got some protection from the harsh UV rays, and we just keep them comfortable. We're gonna see which ones do the best with the bolt resistance, and our temperatures have been in the upper 80s. We had some mid 90s about a week ago, and we are coming into upper 90s. So this is going to be a good trial. We'll see how all these guys do and share the data with you. And here's what I'm talking about. Something's coming in at night, digging into the soil. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a big pocket down there. This is New Red Fire. I know it's a great variety for growing in hotter temperatures. So we definitely want to make sure that he stays comfortable for this lettuce trial so that we get good data on bolt time frame. Let's take a look at, oh gosh, yeah, he's gorgeous. The pattern and the colors are so pretty. Let him out and go do his thing. Flipped it over and he crawled back under. I guess he wants to stay in the shade. Probably because it's so hot out. Hey guy, won't you hit the road? Go find a home. Looks like this is my home, lady.